Good morning, dear children. Today, let us begin with exercise 2B. These are word problems based on additions. So first, let us read the question, understand what to do, and then proceed with the statements. Let's go to the first question. Suryansh bought a plot for rupees 70,68,420. He spent rupees 60,75,000 as construction cost. How much total amount did he spend? So first we write the cost of the plot, which is 70,68,420, and then the amount spent on construction, which is 60,75,000. Then we add both and find out the total amount spent, which is here 1,31,43,420. So do the sum step by step, write all the statements, write the answer statement, draw a margin, then go to the next question. A company manufactured 8,20,932 bikes in a year. In the next year, it manufactured 1 lakh more bikes. How many bikes did it manufacture in the second year? So the production in the first year, that is 8,20,932, but the next year, the production increased by 1 lakh. Okay. So that is, we'll add both and find the number of bikes manufactured in the second year. Okay, you see the procedure, you write the statements, write the answer statement, draw a margin, go to the next question. The cold storage, there are 84,23,426 cheddar cheese blocks and 12,56,780 mozzarella cheese blocks. How many total cheese blocks were stored in the cold storage? So your mouth is watering, isn't it, children, listening to cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese? These are really very tempting, but you must avoid eating too much. Anyways, let's go to the sum. So number of cheddar cheese blocks in the cold storage is given as 84,23,426. And number of mozzarella cheese blocks is 12,56,780. So how to find out the total cheese blocks? Add both of them and whatever you get, that is 96,80,206 cheese blocks were stored in the cold storage. Okay, let's go to the next one. According to a report in Europe, 6,55,000 people are employed in cycling production. 3,50,000 are employed in steel sector and 6,15,000 are in mining and quarrying. How many people in total are employed in these three sectors? So we will write down the number of people employed in cycling sector, then we'll write down the number of people employed in steel sector, and then in mining and quarrying. We'll add all the three numbers and then find out the total number of people employed in all the three sectors. So while adding, be very careful, draw the box, write down the place values and put the digits in the right place and then add so that you do not make a mistake. The next question. Daljit drives a taxi. He drove 281 kilometer, 230 meter from Delhi to Jaipur in 6 hours. And the next day he drove 395 kilometer from Jaipur to Udaipur in 7 hours. How much total distance did he cover in meters and in how much time in seconds? Now here, you have to keep this in mind that after you find out the total distance, we will convert the total distance into meters because it has been said, find out the total distance in meters. and the time is given in hours. So we will convert the hours to seconds. So please be attentive and see how to do. Distance Daljit covered by taxi from Delhi to Jaipur in 6 hours is 281 km 230 meter. Then from Jaipur to Udaipur in 7 hours is 395 kilometers. Now what is the total distance? So first we find the total distance here is 676 kilometer 230 meter. Now we'll convert kilometer to meter. In order to convert kilometer to meter, we multiply it by 1000. This you have already learned earlier. Yes? So 676 multiplied by 1000 plus 230 meter. This will be 6,76,230 meter. So the total distance covered is 6,76,230 meters. It is clear, children? Now, the total time taken is 6 hours in the first trip, and in the second trip it is 7 hours. So 6 plus 7 is 13 hours. Now listen, 1 hour has 60 multiplied by 60, that is 3,600 seconds. So 13 hours will have 13 multiplied by 3,600, that is 46,800 seconds. I hope it is clear, children. So we have 2 calculations to do in this sum. Right? Next sum. 11,68,975 students appeared in examination in 2018. Next year, the number increased by 1,50,175 students. Now, we have to find out how many students appeared in the examination next year. So, simple. So, in 2018, it is given as 11,68,975. And the next year, the number increased by 1,50,175. So we add both and find out the number of students appeared in the examination next year. Is that clear, children? So now do the word problems neatly in your classwork notebook. Do not write the questions. Only write the statements. Do the workout. Write the answer statement. Draw margin, then go to the next. Is that clear? Do it neatly. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.